Ona thengia wa namba nene ya Kenya kwiyumiria na kwiyandikithia rungu rwa mubango wa motungata ma urigitani SHA, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yaniriire no namba nini ya Kenya aria marihagira motungata ma SHA. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Deborah Baraza ni augite gatagati ka Kenya milioni 19 aria meyandikithitie no AKENYA milioni 4 tu marihagira motungata ma SHIF, undu uria uhithuritie magesha maria magumiire ministry no kibesha mubango-ini uyu.
The issue of SHA again has been covered holistically. You know, when you're revising the benefit package, when we came up with the benefit package, first of all, the baseline was what was NHIF.
We cannot only have those informal employment bearing the burden of the rest of the Kenyan population. So we appealed to everybody who was registered to ensure that they go through the means testing process, generate their premium, and actually commit to pay that premium.
Ministry no ni yuritie ministry iria iri na thiri wa NHIF gwika mituki na kurikia kuriha mathiri maya kona ruhonge rwa kuramata motungata ma urigitani rwa SHA ni rukuithitio murigo murito.
We are looking, we are advocating, we are also engaging Treasury to ensure that the debt gradually reduces so that our healthcare facilities are well equipped, well capacitated to offer services.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Kenya ni yambiriirie mubango wa kuheana njanjo imwe tu ya HPV ya kugiririria kansa ya njira ya uciari kuri airitu agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 10 nginyanagia 15 thutha wa guteaniria mubango wa hau kabere uria ministry no iraheanaga njanjo igiri cia kurigita murimu uyu.
Now we have received an advisory from the Kenya National Immunization Technical Advisory Group that one single shot of HPV is sufficient to be able to provide protection from cervical cancer.
Ministry no ni yugite mubango uyu ni guteithiriria kunyihia garama ya kugura njanjo ino.